Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Okay. This sentence, you remember this sentence. Loba sagada, dosa sagada jaya, tata, loba sagada ya satike nama, dosa sagada ya dure nama. See? Dosa sagada ya dure nama. Loba sagada ya satike nama. These two. So, related to this, we need to discuss. You are learning about karaka, but here this is apadana. This is amadana samavipa. Samavipati actually. This one samavipati. Loba sagadaya, dosa sagadaya. The two words there. You ask me, loba sahagadaya sandike. With the near to loba sagada. Dosa sahagadaya dure nama. So the far from. So the to a from, where we translate it to English. But even though we translate differently, the case and the vibhadis are the same. Vibhadis are the same. But if you look at the sutta number, we have the Rupasiri, you study Rupasiri, sutta number 312, the sutta number. You will see there, Duratha Payoga, Duratha Payoge, Adikata Payoge. So Duratha Payoge, Adikata Payoge. Oh, sorry. Duratha Payoge. Duratha Payoge, Adikata Payoge. Adikata Payoge. There are two words. Duratha Payoga is related to Dura, the meaning of Dura. Is related to the meaning of Adika. Dura means far, Adika means near. If the word is related to the meaning of far and the meaning of near, so we need to say it is apadana, ablative, apadana. So apadana dura sadika. This is apadana. So the loba sagadaya sadike nama, dosa sahagadaya dure nama. Pro dosa sagada, it is far. Pro loba sagada, it is near. We say like that. Pro loba sagada, vedana, it is near. Pro dosa sagada vedana, it is far. But here, loba sagada, the word sagada, loba sagada, dosa sagada. We need to check whether it is masculine or feminine or neutral. But actually, three genders, this was sagada. So here we are referring to the word vedana. Vedana is feminine. That's why when we say loba sagata, loba sagataya vedanaya sadike nama, dosa sagataya vedanaya dure nama. So loba sagata, if loba sagata follows the feminine, it becomes feminine. Dosa Sagada, it is 3 genders, the pertaining to 3 genders. But when it follows feminine, it also becomes the feminine. So we say Loba Sagata Ya, Dosa Sagata Ya. The case indeed, the Vipatti is the same, that is Samavipatti. But this Samavipatti, only where it related here, Durata Bayogi, when it is related to the meaning of Dura, where it is related to the meaning of Andika, here not Sandika, Andika. Andika, Sandika, these two are the same meaning. So the words are different. The meaning is the same. Adika. So if the Vipatti is related to the meaning of Dura or the meaning of Sandika, the Vipatti will be Apadana ablated. So you have Durata Payoge, Adikata Payoge, is that Sutta number 312, Rupasiti. So there is Samavipatti, Sahagata, Sahagata, not Sahagata, Sahagata, Samavipatti, Dosa Loba Sahagata, Samavipatti, change it to Aya. You have Loba Sahagata, you delete the vowel R. So you what? You lack the consonant ta with the vowel aya. So the R you have Loba Sagdaya, Dosa Sagdaya. So it should be feminine. Only feminine here. Loba Sagda must be feminine. Dosa Sagda must be feminine. Because it is the modifying word. Modifying word for the Vedana. That's why it also becomes the feminine. So Loba Sagata is Mavipatti. Because it is, you see here, why we have to ask Mavipatti instead of Jidoti Vipatti here. Because it is related to the meaning of far, related to the meaning of near. That's why we had to add Samavipatti. This Samavipatti change to the Aya. You see, we have one sutta there. The Kato Nadina. Navipatti also can be changed to Aya. So Navipatti. Aya. So like a Kanyaya with the girl. Kanyaya with girl. So we say Kato Nadina is the Pali grammar. You have one sutta, Kato Nadina. So Ka here referred to the feminine A with the indi A. The like a Kanya with the indi A. Here Sagata with the indi A. So with the indi A, if the word is indeed with the R there, so the singular number, the Vipatti singular number na, sama, sa, na, sama, na, sa, sama, sa, samai. 5 singular case indeed. So those are changed into aya. Those are changed into aya according to the sutta. The singular number, the singular change into aya. But gato, after ga, in front of the singular Vipatti, there must be etilinga a here. Sahagata, Vedana. So Vedanaya, like Akuslaya, Vedanaya, Kuslaya, Vedanaya. So kuslaya, vinanaya, kusla, akuslaya, vinanaya, akusla. So all connected with the vedana, which is feminine. So you have here the Lobhasagataya Satike Nama Pro Lobhasagata, it is near. Dosa Sagataya Satike Nama Pro Dosa Sagata, it is far. So concerning that Sutta, we have this, no? We have this. How about the this is concerning feminine, but if there is masculine indeed with the vowel a, so we have one sutta there. Aya, chitu theka, wasana, wachana sa. Two. Do you remember this sutta? Chitu tha wachana, chitu theka wachana, chitu tha eka wachana singular, chitu tha the fourth singular, that is the dated singular, that is sa, you know, dated singular. Sa change into aya. According to this sutta, sa change into aya. Because Chituttha Vipatti, which is singular, eka wachana, singular number, Chituttha Vipatti, that refers to sa. This sa change into aya. But here should be at the end of art, the word here, the word. One indeed with a karanta, a bowen. Yeah, a bowen. We have this one. Savipatti change into aya, according to this sutta. But here, this Savipatti must not be, the word must not be indeed with the other bowen, but must be indeed with the a bowen here. Can you see? Yeah, the word indeed with the a bowen. So in this case, so if for the meaning, the ja can be changed into aya. Ja can be changed into aya. If for meaning, we say the data sabdana. That's a sabdana. Have you learned sabdana pro karka?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yes, we learned.
Yes, if you learn the sutta, the long sutta Silaga, we call Silaga sutta. Silaga sutta. So you had the data sabdana there. The data. How do you translate the word data? The word data sabdana. The data tasa ato, the data. The benefit of that.
Yes,
the
yes.
benefit of the action, the verb, or the benefit of something. The data sabdana. So like, you know, Buddha sa attaya, for example. Buddha sa attaya. Buddha sa attaya jivita pritchami. For the Buddha, for the benefit of the Buddha. So for the benefit of the Buddha. So one sacrificed his life or I sacrifice my life. Buddhasa attaya. Sacrifice is the cause. For the Buddha is the benefit. The cause is the benefit here. So with this meaning, we change it to aya. Tadata Sabdhana. We say this ja is called Tadata Sabdhana. This ja. So it must be for something, for the benefit. It must be for the verb, the action, or it must be for something. Here Buddha's attaya, for the Buddha. So attaya here, aya. Here sa, sabdhana sa, change into aya. You have attaya. See? Sabdhana change to aya. So not atasa, instead of atasa, we use attaya here. So the meaning here, it is the meaning of sa, or for benefit or something, Tadata Sabdhana. So we also have another Unasa Paripuriya. So you have there already. Unasa Paripuriya. So for the is sufficient. Unata Paripuriya Wutta Nekipitaban. The cloth should be kept for the sufficient. So the cloth should be kept for the sufficient. See, to do something there, you know, to do something, you keep the cloth. The cloth is sufficient is the cause. Do something is the benefit. So that is called the data for the benefit of something, the data sabdhana. So in the sense of the data sabdhana, we use the word ja, they will change the ja into aya. The aya chidutika wasana sadu, aya here, attaya. Buddhasa attaya, Dhammasa attaya, Sanghasa attaya. You have aya. Then you have Tumata Samdhana. Tumata Samdhana. So the data at Tumata is the same. Sorry. You can find it's the same, the sutta there. Tumata Samdhaya. Tumsa Atho. For the meaning of the tone. Tone means for, you know. The meaning of tone, Dhan to offer. Pujito to respect. The Gadon to go, something like that. Tone is the meaning of tone. Yeah, dosa at all. The meaning of tone. Is the meaning of tone. There is also Jawibadi, Sawibadi, sorry, not Ja. Sawibadi is Sabdhana did the case. It also changed into aya. We have Hita Ataya, Hitaya Sukhaya, you know, Dewa Manusana, Ataya, Hitaya, Sukhaya. You see this word in many places. Ataya, Hitaya, Sukhaya, Ataya. The meaning of Ataya here. Atha Kantong, for example. Atha Kantong, to do the benefit. So Atha Kantong, instead of saying Atha Kantong, here we add the dedicated sa. Dedicated indeed sa. We change it to aya. You have Ataya. Hita also the same, Sukha also the same. Ataya, Hitaya, Sukhaya. So I'm not going to write anything for this. Tadata Sabdana, Tumata Sabdana, you know already these two. Tadata Sabdana, Tumata Sabdana. So there you have the accusative. Kama Karana, Kama Karana. Kama Karana. Kama Karana of ni kamu etc. etc. Ni here the dhatu ni kamu dhatu etc. Sorry. Dhatu ni dhatu kamu dhatu ni dhatu kamu dhatu. So ni dhatu kamu dhatu. For example, Takaya Neti. What does it mean? Takaya Neti. It related to the ni dhatu here. Ni dhatu or kama karaka. Sorry, not karana, karaka. Karaka. Kama karaka. The object of the ni dhatu here. The object of the ni dhatu. So ni dhatu here, neti. Neti. This is ni dhatu. Neti, that means brains or leads. Neti. Takaya. What is taka? Taka here, udaka, taka the same. Udaka, water. Taka also water. So the water, yeah, aya. So here, this taka is the object of ni dhatu. Dhatu. How do you call it English dhatu?
The root.
The root.
Oh, root. I forgot, to use the usage. The root ni here. The object of the root ni. Where where it becomes the object of the root ni. So after that, Sabdhana Savipati is added there. So that Savipati change into aya. So when Savipati change into aya, it will have 4 meanings. Tadata Sabdhana, Tadata meaning, Tumata meaning. And here, the object of ni. So not the meaning here. The way it becomes the object of ni, it is also changed into aya. Savipati change into aya. Where it is Tumata Sabda, that change into aya. So Tumata Sabda. But here the word should be ended with a vowel a here. Vowel a only. Not vowel a, e, u, a, or no, not those. So only a, vowel a here. So vowel a, if there is a Sabdhana, Savipati. So if the meaning is tadata, so it change into aya. If the meaning tumata is also changed into aya. If it is the object of ni root, it is also changed into aya. See, change into aya. So here gamu. How about gamu? Apo sakaya gachati, for example. Apo sakaya gachati. And then you can see clearly. Apo sakaya gachati. Apo, just later, Sagaya, to the celestial abode. Kajadi goes. Just a few people. So here, just later people, just few people. But when we say Apo, that is singular. But when we translate a few people, the few people are the singular, is it? Is it? A few people. So a few people goes to the celestial abode. In this case, yeah, Gajadi, Gamu Dhadu, the root Gamu. Saga is the object of Gamu Dhadu here. So where the words comes into the object of Gamu Dhadu, Sawibadi there change into Aya, not Sagasa. Apo Sagasa Gajadi, no. Here, Sabdana Vibadi. That Sabdana Vibadi change into Aya. So we could do like this and then. Sabdana Vibadi change into Aya. Instead of Sagasa, we say Sagaya. Instead of Sagasa, we say Sagaya. So Apo Sagaya Gajadi. This is Gamu Dhadu. Gamu Dhadu. So Gamu Dhadu. Or if any Dhadu, we say Katyata. Any Dhadu, like Gamu Waja, you say Wajadi, for example. Waja also Wajadi, Yadi, for example, Apo Sagaya Yadi, or Apo Sagaya Wajadi, you can say. No. Yadi. Ya has the meaning of Gati here. Gati mean to go. Has the meaning of go here. Yadi. Wajati. So Wajati. So this has the meaning of Gati. Apo Sagaya Gajadi. Apo Sagaya Yadi. Apo Sagaya Wajadi. You can say like that. So what does it mean here? The meaning here, if the words indeed with the A is the object of Ni root, Gamu root, Ya root, Waja root. So if the object is root, there Sawipati change into Aya. So in this case, we don't say Apo Sagasa Gajadi, Apo Sagasa Yadi, Apo Sagasa Wajadi. We don't say so. We say Sakaya. Because Sawipati, because Saga is the object of this root. Where Saga becomes the object of these roots, the Vibadi after that should be changed into Aya. So we don't say Sagasa Gajadi, we say Sagaya Gajadi. There's the last one. The object of, here we say Ekama Karaka, the object of, So here we say Sabdana Sawipadi change into Aya if 4 cases. One case, A Sawipadi means the data. So it change into Aya. If Sawipadi means to mata, it change to Aya. If Sawipadi because the object of this, so it change into Aya. Last one. The last one, Vipatti Vipalasa. Vipatti Vipalasa. Have you ever seen this word?
Yes, Sada.
Yes, chain or how do you translate? Chain or Vipatti.
Corruption of changing of Vipatti.
What? Sorry? Chain or Vipatti.
No, Sada. It's we can understand perversions. Yeah, perversion of Vipatti.
Perversion of Vipatti.
Yes.
I would say so. Chain of Vipatti, perversion of Vipatti.
Or we
Actually,
can
not
understand
chain,
no? Corruption also.
Corruption. Yes. Corruption of Vipatti.
Yes.
This does not mean, the change of Vipatti. We don't change the Vipatti actually, but the Vipatti, the how to say, it should be there which should be this Vipatti. We don't use that Vipatti, we use another Vipatti. Vipatti Vipalasa. Not one Vipatti change it to another Vipatti. For example, the word should be with the Tatya Vipatti, but we don't use Tatya Vipatti. We use Jatuti Vipatti. We use Jatuti Vipatti, even though it should be Tatya Vipatti. This is called Vipatti Vipalasa. Or sometimes you see we should use Jatuti Vipatti, but instead of that, we use Pajami Vipatti. So now one Vipatti change into another Vipatti. Should be, but we don't use. Should be, but we use another one. That is called Vipatti Vipalasa. We have the one Asaka. Asakataja. Tanaja, for example. Tanajaya. This one. Asakata, Danajaya. Danajaya. The Danajaya. We say this one, the passive voice. Passive voice. Should be Danajena here, should be. Actually, Danajena Asakata. So Danajaya is not to be respected. It's not to be respected. It should be Danajaya. Danajaya is the meaning of the Brahmin. Danajaya should be Danajena. Danajena should be actually. But we don't use Tatya Vipatti. We use Jatuti Vipatti here. That is called Vipatti Vipalasa. Even though we use Jatuti Vipatti here, the meaning is not the sense of did. The meaning is in the sense of the instrumental. Do we call instrumental here? The ability of agent, they say something like that, I think. No, not instrumental. This one we don't use any instrument. So the ability of agent, they're just like a kind of agent here. So if the word karma, the verb is karma or passive voice, but Patama Vipatti here should be Tatiya Vibhati. The subject should be Tatiya Vibhati. If the passive voice, you are very familiar with this and there. So a passive voice, if the verb, passive voice is the verb, is passive voice. The subject should be with Tatiya Vibhati. The subject should be with Tatiya Vibhati. That's why a fact, it should be asakata ja danajena. But we don't use danajena here. Instead of that, we use danajaya. This is called Vibhati Vipalasa. Pabhasya or Vibhati. Vibhati Vipalasa. Pabhasya Vibhati. Vibhati, even though it should be Tatiya Vibhati, it is not used. Instead of that, it's used Jaruti Vibhati. The Jaruti Vibhati, Vibhati Vipalasa, Jaruti Vibhati should be changed into Aya. Not Danajaya Sa. It should be Danajaya. What is it? So in Vinaya, you see Viramata, Yasamado, Viramata, Yasamado, Yasamado, Viramata, Yasamado, Mama Vachanaya, Vachanaya. So this is the main part. Mama Vachanaya. A voice says something to me. Yeah, Vachana. Mama Vachanena instead of Mama Vachanaya should be Vachana to. Should be Vachana to here. Should be Vachana to. Process something to me. Process something. Avoid me. Process something. The meaning here. Viramata, avoid. Avoid me. Process something. Process something should be Vajanato. But we don't use Vajanato, the Tatiya Vibhati. Pajami Vibhati, sorry. We don't use Pajami, the preface. To here. We don't use Pajami. To is Pajami. We don't use Pajami. We use Chatuti here, Vajanaya. See? We use Chatuti, Vajanaya. So, when we use Chatuti, when it should be Pajami, that Chatuti must be changed into Aya. Not Vajanasa. We don't say Vajanasa, but we mean Pajami. Here we mean Pajami, but we use Jaruti Vibhati, Jaruti. We mean Pajami, we use Jaruti. In this case, that Jaruti must be changed into Aya. Vibhati Vipalasa we say. Mama Vachanaya, not Mama Vachanato. So the third one, Mahaganaya. Mahaganaya Patame Mahaganaya Patame. The meaning here my master of many Mahaganaya, many, of many. Bhatta here, Bhatta master, my master of many. This what comes from the Jataka. For the, I don't know, like a goose, a kind of goose. I don't know, goose, that goose, not very big goose, not that one. I don't know how to call this one, this bird. This Sutta. So my master of many goose, for example, my master of many goose. Here, Mahaganasa should be master of. The master of should be. Bhatta here, master Bhatta, Mahagana. So the many of many, Mahaganaya of many. But the actually effect, actually, it should be, you know, Chatti Vibhadi here. My Chatti. It should be Chatti Vibhadi, but Chatti Vibhadi is not used here. Instead of Chatti Vibhadi, we use Sa Vibhadi. In this case, the Sa Vibhadi should be changed into Aya. So you have my master of many. My here me, my master Bhatta, Mahaganaya many. It should be Mahaganasa. Mahaganasa Bhatta me. Mahaganasa Bhatta me. But in this case, we don't use the word Mahaganasa. We don't use Mahaganasa. We don't use Chatti Vibhadi Sa. Now we use Jadoti Vibhadi Sa here. If we use Jadoti Vibhadi Sa in this case, this Jadoti Vibhadi Sa must be changed into Aya. You got it? So you have Mahaganaya instead of Mahaganasa.
Bhatta is BS or just only B, sir? BS or only B?
Bhatta?
Yeah, Bhatta with the BS or not only B?
Oh, no, not B here, but referring to master.
But could not find in Tipitaka.
Really? This comes from Tipitaka?
It's B-H-A-T-T-A, Sayadaw.
Yes, I think so.
The spelling, Sayadaw.
H-A?
It's B-H-A-T-T-A. Because what Sayadaw have on the screen is there is no H there. There should be.
Oh, yes. Yes, that's right. Bhatta. Bhatta. Bhatta means master. Master, my many of master. My master of many, sorry. My master of many. That means my master has many followers, many companies. My master with a company, with many companies, Mahaganaya. So we use the sixth philosopher also we use Mahagana. They have a lot of followers. The Buddha also sometimes we use Mahaganasa, Mahaganaya. But here, in that case, we use Mahaganasa. But in this case, because of Bhatta and because of Bhatta, this is Mahaganasa. Sa here, no, we don't use Sa, but we change that Sa into Aya. These are called Vibhadi Vipalasa. So when the Jatuti Vibhadi change into Aya, now it change according to these four purpose, you know. We change Sa into Aya because of these four, not other things. We change the Sa into Aya. So here, Uramataya Samadho Mama Vajanaya, this one. Similar to Loba Sagadaya, Dosa Sagadaya, but so we did for the Loba Sagadaya, Dosa Sagadaya, so those words are connected with Dura is Sadika. That's why we don't take here, you know, Dura Sadika. We have to think from the point of Dura is Sadika. So this one not because of Dura Sadika, because the word Dura Sadika, this is not the ayah, Loba Sakadaya, Dosa Sakadaya, not Juruti Vipati, that is Pajima Vipati. How about Nama Buddhaya? Nama Buddhaya sit down, we say. In the case of Nama Buddhaya sit down, we had to make Buddhaya, the Buddha, Nama Buddhaya, we pay respect to the Buddha, Nama Buddhaya. So to the Buddha, that's Juruti Vipati. We have one Sutta, Ekaraka, 305. Sutta 305. Namo Yoga Diswa Pija. So if the word here, Buddha, if the word related to or connected with the word Namo, so we have to use Juruti Vipati. That Juruti Vipati change into Aya. This one, Tumata or Data. Namo Buddhaya. So the Data Sabdana, you know, that's Sabdana. Namo Buddhaya Siddha with the Sutta Namo Yoga Diswa Pija. The word Buddha here related to the connected with the word Namo. That's why the Vipa should be Juruti Vipati. That Juruti Vipati also should be changed into Aya. The Duda is the case of Data Sabdana. It's the sense of Data Sabdana. That Juruti Vipati changed into Aya, you have Namo Buddhaya. Okay, now the 15 minutes already. So I have to go to Sima.
Okay, thank you, Sayadaw.
So see you next lecture. That's all for today. Let's conclude our lecture. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Yes, have a good Pawarana, Sayadaw.
After tomorrow. Yes, we have Pawarana at 8 o'clock.
Yes. See you, Sayadaw.